Here is the Canon Autoboy Juno 76. So here is the compartment, and it using one CR1238 battery. Next, by pulling here to open the back cover, and here is the dummy roll film. So we just put it, slide into it, because the center here got a motor. You need to fit with the canister. Yeah, so you just slide into it and push the top in. After that, pull the film tip to here and make sure that the film is flat like this, and just close it, and it will start loading. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you have loaded the film successfully. So here you set to auto, it will auto you on. Then here is the zoom and zoom out. Here is the shutter button and viewfinder. So the viewfinder center point there got a dot. You just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if you blink like this, which means that it can't focus, so maybe you adjust a bit. Yeah, like that means it's okay. Then you just press it. So it's quite easy, just half press. If it's light up, press it. Then here is the flash, force flash setting of flash. Then this one is timer. This one is auto with red light reduction, while I've tried before like auto mode and this mode, and I can't find the difference. Okay, next thing is the cross date function, the date imprinting. You can adjust the mode by yourself. If you don't want, you just set it like this. If you want, click the select, and if you blink, then you click the set to adjust the year. Okay, then click select to next. This one is month, and this one is date. Okay, and also you can adjust like different kind of format, and this one is the date and the time. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.